hosting a New Year's Eve party but don't want to spend a ton of money? In this video, I'm showing you 10 stunning New Year's Eve decorations, all made using Dollar Tree items, and honestly, they look way more expensive than they are. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you love budget-friendly party ideas, easy DIYs, and stress-free hosting, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into the first decoration. For this first DIY, we're making glitter champagne bottles. These are perfect for table decor, drink stations, or even your entryway. All you need is a plastic bottle, some Mod Podge, and gold or silver glitter. Paint the bottle, sprinkle the glitter, let it dry. And that's it. They instantly give you that glamorous New Year's Eve vibe. Next up is a super easy balloon wall. I'm using black, gold, and clear balloons, plus Dollar Tree balloon tape. You don't need to cover the entire wall. Just one section creates a big impact. This works perfectly for apartments or smaller spaces. These LED mason jar centerpieces are one of my favorites. Drop in some fairy lights, add a little glitter or beads, and turn the lights on. They look amazing at night and instantly make your table feel warm and cozy. Every New Year's party needs a countdown moment. For this DIY, I'm creating a simple countdown clock using foam board and clock stickers. Place it in the center of your table or near the TV. It becomes a fun conversation piece right before midnight. This one is super simple, but looks really cute on tables. Fill clear plastic cups with gold confetti and flip them upside down. They're perfect as mini decor pieces or even party favors. If you want your table to look expensive, This hack is for you. Take plain plastic plates from Dollar Tree and spray paint them gold. Once dry, use them as charger plates under your regular dishes. It instantly upgrades your table setup. No party is complete without a photo area. I'm using a tinsel curtain, balloons and foil year numbers to create a simple photo booth. This is perfect for Instagram, family photos and group selfies. These DIY party hats are fun for both kids and adults. Start with plain party hats, add year numbers, glitter or stickers. Set them out before midnight so everyone's ready for the countdown. Party favors don't have to be complicated. I'm filling small bags with chocolates, confetti, and a simple midnight kiss tag. These are always a hit and super easy to put together. For the final DIY, I'm using gold stars, beads, and mini clocks as table scatter. Just sprinkle them across the table for that extra festive touch. It's a small detail, but it makes everything feel more complete. And here's how everything looks together. All of this was made using Dollar Tree items, and the total cost was under $20. Budget-friendly, easy, and perfect for New Year's Eve. Let me know in the comments which DIY was your favorite. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy party ideas. Happy New Year!